Look at this freaking stupid dumb mower. Ow! That freaking hurt, dude. Stop. Okay. I've been trying to get this lawnmower to start for 3 days, and I just can't get it to do it. Listen. Why? Why won't you start? What do I have to do to get you to start? Oh, now you're teasing me. Okay, well, frick you, dude. Frick you. One more time. I got it. This is gonna work this time. I already know. Hey, if this works, I deserve $1 million. Watch this. You know what, man? I didn't even want your freaking money. Fuck you. I hate this freaking lawnmower.